Yeah, there was some drama between the federal judge and top city officials. More about that in a moment. But this was a hearing where most residents and members of these organizations showed up to voice their concerns about a lack of transparency from the third-party administrator and his new management team. Now, representatives from more than a dozen organizations, including the NAACP, ACLU, and Southern Poverty Law Center, came to voice their concerns. Most didn't get a chance to speak today. The judge did hear from several Jackson residents, some who say they didn't understand whether the new water quality report that Jackson Water just mailed out last week means the water is safe to drink. Others wondered why they are no longer releasing boil water notices when the water pressure is low.
My home alone, we've had in the past month, our water's been off and on, low water pressure. In the past, we know that that comes with a boil water notice, but there hasn't been a boil water notice. Even though our water is a different color, it has oily substance in it.
Anybody that has a problem with their water system, we want to know, we want to investigate. So if they think they're having water quality problems, we need to come out there and check it out.
Now, earlier in the hearing, Judge Henry Wingate slapped down both the mayor and the city attorney, telling them several times to sit down as they tried to intervene during testimony from two top firefighters. There was conflicting statements from the firefighters about the state fire rating and where Jackson ranked. Now, the men were supposed to be voicing their concerns about Jackson Water testing fire hydrants, and for low flow, with firefighters have to have adequate pressure when they're battling fires. One resident who wanted to address her concerns says she was appalled at the judge's behavior.
And I feel disheartened. I feel sad. I really do, because this is a judge who is supposed to be, providing oversight towards this organization, this group that's controlling the water in Jackson. So I don't feel good. I do not feel good as a Jackson resident.
The judge seems to have a lot of apparent animosity toward the city of Jackson. Wouldn't allow you to interject, shut down the city attorney?
No statement. No comment.
The mayor not responding to that dramatic scene from the judge in the courtroom. Now, this hearing will resume first thing in the morning, where the judge will hear from other concerned residents, as well as some of those organizations who still want to express how they feel about the current management structure. And the judge says he will have to give Ted Henifin, that third-party administrator, and his team a chance to respond to all these residential complaints. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.